Another beautiful day to chase. The breeze is dancing through the trees, carrying whispers of peace. No fancy car, no diamond ring, still got everything I need. A little faith, a little song, and a heart that's beating strong. Every cloud will drift away if you let your spirit play. I got sunshine in my pocket, good love in my soul. No matter where the road goes, I'm never alone. Sunshine in my pocket, freedom in my mind. Life feels a little sweeter when you leave your fears behind. When you leave your fears behind. Ocean waves keep rolling free, writing stories on the sea. Every sunset paints the sky with colors money can't buy. Friends around and music loud, dancing with the happy crowd. Every moment feels brand new when the world is shining through. Every heartbeat, every day is another chance to say, I got sunshine in my pocket, good love in my soul. No matter where the road goes, I'm never alone. Sunshine in my pocket, freedom in my mind. Life feels a little sweeter when you leave your fears behind. Hey-oh, sing it loud tonight. Hey-oh, everything's alright. Hey-oh, let the music flow, feel the reggae in your soul. Sunshine in my pocket, sunshine in my soul.